Unlock a whole new level of control and visibility for your Nikon D5600 by transforming your smartphone into a wireless monitor. First, ensure your Nikon D5600's Wi-Fi is enabled. Navigate to the camera settings menu. Find the Wi-Fi option and turn it on. Next, you'll need to download and install the free SnapBridge app on your smartphone or tablet. You can find it in your device's app store. Whether you're on iOS or Android, open the SnapBridge app and follow the on-screen prompts to pair it with your Nikon D5600. This usually involves selecting your camera model and confirming a connection. Once successfully paired, you'll see your camera's live view appear on your mobile device. This is your wireless monitor. Now you can easily frame your shots, especially for video or in challenging lighting conditions, from a distance. This allows for more dynamic camera placement and comfortable shooting. You can also use the app to adjust focus, either by tapping on the screen or using the focus controls within the app itself. This makes achieving sharp images much more precise. Depending on the SnapBridge app's features, you might even be able to remotely adjust some of your camera's settings, giving you even greater flexibility without touching the camera. By leveraging your mobile device as a wireless monitor, you significantly enhance your creative possibilities and shooting experience with your Nikon D5600. Happy shooting!